This tutorial is to show you how to change the sediment filter installed with your cold water storage tank. The first and most important step is to shut off the water supply to the system. Locate your cold water storage tank and the plumbing pipe that exits the tank. You'll see a ball valve attached to the pipe. The handle to this valve will be in line with the pipe, which is in the on position. Turn this valve to a perpendicular position, which shuts the valve off, allowing no water to pass through. You'll find a similar valve on the pipe leaving your sediment filter. Shut this valve off by also turning it to a perpendicular position. The next step is to relieve the pressure in the system. This is done by opening the test bib, or what looks like an outside faucet, and draining any excess water from the pipe into a bucket. You should only get about 2 to 3 seconds of excess water from the faucet. If water keeps coming out, then you didn't shut off the water to the system completely. Once the water stops draining, shut the test bib off. Then, move your bucket underneath the sediment filter housing to catch any water that comes out when you remove the housing in the next step. Now, take your spanner wrench and put it on the sediment filter housing with the handle sticking out toward the right side. Then, turn the handle to the left to loosen the filter housing. Once the housing is removed, dump the remaining water out, making sure you retrieve the rubber O-ring if it falls into the bucket. Discard the old filter. Clean out the housing with a paper towel and put in a new filter. Then, making sure that the rubber O-ring is in place, screw the housing back in place. Hand tightening is sufficient. You can now slowly turn the water back onto the system by first opening up the ball valve on the storage tank side of the filter, and then the ball valve on the house side of the filter. When you first turn on the water in your home, like your kitchen sink, there may be some air in the lines. This is common and will go away shortly. Also, your water may seem a bit foamy because of an antiseptic in the filter itself. This too will pass within a few minutes of running your water. This concludes our tutorial on how to change the sediment filter in your home. If you have other filtration devices, like a water softener or acid neutralizer, please view our tutorial on how to reset the timers on these units in case of power outages. If you have any questions or need assistance, please call us. We'll be happy to help you.